California. We got a call yesterday actually, but we couldn't get there because we're busy doing other stuff and we got an event to go to. So pretty much a 6S Plus, the rear camera. Her rear camera just stopped working. I'm guessing she probably just either dropped it or something, because usually when you drop the phone hard, especially on the 6S Plus or the 7 or 7 Plus, they have this thing that they're not engineered to withstand impact, so they just like crash. The camera crashes. So we're gonna give her a new rear cam, and then that's about it. So we're here in Monterey Park. It's all this, as you can see, it's all this greenery of some kind. It's open road, and we should get there in 0.2 miles in 1 minute. So it took us like 25 minutes to drive, so it's not that bad. Yep, that will be the job of the day for vlog 147, guys, and we'll show you how that thing is done. And I don't know if I've shown you guys before. I think I have, but on a different model, how to change the rear cam in case it goes down, so you'll be able to see then how that works. So see you guys there. Peace, God. Hey guys, I'm back. We are in a gated community. It's really nice here. I'm gonna show you guys around. This is what a gated community looks like in Monterey Park here. Pretty clean, pretty chill, peaceful, away from everything. Pretty much where I am. Looking for the address right now. 309. I gotta find the address. The numbers are kind of weird. 301. I'm feeling maybe somewhere here. And then goes here like 301. No, wait. I am not sure. I'm just gonna drive that way. I'm pretty sure it's probably that way. Then here's the 317, so I'm not really sure, but let me just try this. 317. Yeah, it's definitely somewhere inside there. So I have to. Yeah, it is definitely him. The way this housing works is you gotta drive around and go inside there. Those are where all the numbers are. So it's like a house within a house. It's like a little apartment within an apartment. So here's 301. So we're looking for 309. 301, 315, 33. Shit on the left side. There you go. We found it at 309. Yes, I can park anywhere here. It's right here, guys. We are here, so let me just let you guys go and I'll see you guys inside. Hey guys, a funny story. So I got to Monterey Park where I showed you the house. I got there and apparently she thought I meant 1 o'clock instead of 11. So she drove all the way to where I live by Glendale, Hollywood Hills, and so I had to literally drive back to where I live just to meet her because she was there shopping and running errands. So that was a bit funny and just funny. You know, it was just funny. So yeah, so now I'm here at Glendale. It's a kind of a shopping area, malls and some restaurants. So I'm here to fix her phone away from her house, by my house, and that's the funniest thing that I wanted to point out. So we'll see how it goes and we'll show you how it drops. So stay tuned.
She lives in West Adams neighborhood. Like the street is called Palm Grove.
Is it Glendale?
No, in LA, like West Adams. Her street is Palm Grove. She's married to a white guy.
Oh my God, I know who she is.
She looks like me.
She's like an angel.
Yeah, she's the one who referred me.
Person you know.
Yeah, she said,
and she has,
you have to go.
She has the same exact model.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And her sound, her ring or the sound went out.
Oh yeah, her sound went out. And so her job was a miracle job because what happened was pretty much her sound went out, right? So we didn't know what it was. So we changed so many parts and it wasn't working. Then I'm like, wait a minute. It's most likely because her ear headset was
stuck.
It was broken, so it was showing that it was plugged in. So that's why sound wasn't coming out. So I just ended up changing the whole bottom, the headset and the charger port, the whole piece, the component, and then everything worked. But it took us a long time to like test every single part. Yeah. And yeah, that was a challenge, but we fixed it. That was good. This is a nice case.
Yeah, thank you.
So nice that it's not coming out. Yeah, and you look like her kind of. Yeah, I was like.
That's what everybody said. She told me, Mom, you gotta call Ari, because I said I was gonna go to the Apple store. She said, no, just call Ari. He's really a nice guy.
Thank you. Yeah, and the thing is that if you went to the Apple store, what they were gonna tell you is because Apple store doesn't change the camera or the charging port, all they actually work on is a screen and the battery. So if you went to an Apple store, because this is out of warranty, because it's a 6S, not a
Yeah.
7, they're gonna ask you to pay $220 to get this, so to get this one back from you and give you another one refurbished that already have the camera working, because they don't have the parts in the store. Apple. So
where
good
did
thing you
get
didn't
the
go there.
part?
I'll get it from Apple as a authorized reseller. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. These are all Apple products. Yeah. Otherwise, it will not work. Yeah. So anyways, let me take my shades off.
Okay.
Okay. So I can show my eyes. No, I can. That's okay. Okay. There you go. Oh, let me put it in this thing.
So there are two cameras. I didn't know that too. So
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
there's
front
two.
and the back.
Cameras.
I just found that out now from him.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. Hey guys, we just finished that job that you just saw, and we actually did it in front of home goods. Just see. And we are now walking to our car to go to our next repair in Sherman, California. Actually, no, it's in Studio City. It's for my friend Katie, and we should get there in like 20-25 minutes. Let's see what happens. And we'll see you in the next vlog of 148. Thank you for watching this vlog 147, and that will conclude. And see you guys in 148.